Hello friend, I'll tell you how to make virgin Colada mocktail. Take a shaker glass, then add ice cube, then add 60 ml of fresh cream, then add 120 ml of pineapple juice, then add 20 ml of sugar syrup, then you have to add 20 ml of coconut syrups, then add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Then you have to shake more time because this is the ice cream based mocktail. You have to shake more time until unless shaker will not chilled. You have to shake the mocktail. Then take any glass, pilsner glass, and strain the mocktail into a pilsner glass. You can take any glass and garnish and serve. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much. Yes.